Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Swetha. First of all, I hope you all are good and not affected by corona and all of you are safe. So you're stuck at home. I know that I've been stuck at home for days now and it's very boring. So I thought that I'll show you guys some skincare routine that I do right now. So anyway, you're stuck at home, you have nothing else to do. Some spa time for you guys, some self-care. So yeah, let's get started. I just washed my face with this Himalaya face wash, Neem face wash. If you have oily skin with pimples, this is really good. And oh, it's too bright in the background, right? I hope you guys can see this. Yeah, okay. Moving on, the first thing that you have to do is remove all the dirt from your face so that you'll get a clear face first, and then you start on the skincare. So this is Himalaya again. I love Himalaya skincare products. I love it because it's all very affordable and very good. So this is Himalaya scrub with they have different flavors. You can buy any of it. It's all good. Only this much, and then I'm gonna apply it on my face and on my neck. Do it in circular motion like this. And you can play friends in the background.
Down the hall in the second door to your left.
So this is the face massage that I do on a daily basis. So if you do, it's really good for your facial muscles. So what you have to do is, first of all, do this like 5 or 10 times. You can do this either by your hands or you can use things like this, which is available in the market, and it's really good. There is a clip here so that you can adjust it however you want and do this. It feels so good. This is what I do after the scrub. This is the cleanup tool that you can get from anywhere. I bought it from Amazon. So I take my white heads with this. Usually I have white heads on my nose a lot, so I do that. Not saying this is the professional way to clean up, but this is what I do. So yeah. I usually go with the face razor. If you know what this is what we use to remove the facial hair, at least I do. So this is, you can buy it online if you want. I bought it from Minoso, the Korean store which is there in Lulu, Cochin. So yeah, I use this to remove my facial hair. So what you usually do is you just keep it like this, the angular position, and then do this, but be very careful and very gentle on your skin. Don't push it into your skin because it's blade, so be careful, but it works well. And no, the hair won't grow faster or thicker after you do this. No, I've been doing this for years and it won't happen that way. So it's way better than waxing your face because you're literally pulling your facial skin, and that's not good for your skin. And it's anyway better than using chemicals on your skin to remove facial hair. So I always do this. Once you do that, take a cotton pad and use some toner for your skin because you just shaved your face and all that. So also it's good for your pH balance and all that. So yeah, always use this. Don't use it under your eyes, just use it under your eyes because it's too sensitive there. So yeah, if you want to do a face mask like a sheet mask, you can do that, but I am going for a proper mask, which is Lotus mask. It's a yogurt mask. Yogurt mask is really good. If you don't want to use this, you can always take yogurt from your fridge and apply it on your skin. You can add turmeric if you want, or you can use any other homely face mask that you can make in your kitchen. I'm going to use this. So while you're waiting for that, you can make yourself a detox drink if you want. You can make a glass of juice if you want, but what I usually make is a lime water, that is water, lime plus honey, not sugar or salt, because I'm trying to cut down on sugar. Salt is also not very good for your skin. Honey is good, so honey, lime and water. Cheers. So keep this for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. I'm gonna wash and come back. So once all that is done, I'm gonna moisturize my face. My face is really fresh right now. I feel fresh. So now I'm gonna moisturize my face. I'm gonna use this Olay moisturizer, which is also a sunscreen. Make sure it's a sunscreen even if you're staying at home. So this is just all the skincare that I do, and it's super easy. Anyway, you're stuck at home, so you can easily do this. I feel so fresh and good. Now I'm gonna go watch some friends and relax. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, I'll be posting videos every Monday or alternate Mondays. I'll see you guys soon. Keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.